brings the blood flow to the area, so it kind of warms it up after a few minutes, and it gives you a nice sensation where it just relaxes the muscles and everything.
Use a safe point. Really? Really exhaling that. Really? Oh! Keep your arms flat like that. We're totally relaxed. Breathe in. And out. Oof.
All year out. And just relax. Oh yeah. Tested her cervical spine yet. That's a good Palmer diversified cervical rotary brake. And the very next thing that I'm going to do, while she's in this position, and again her muscles are relaxed. Perfect. I know you heard those. Excellent. So there we go. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, I got you. Let it go. That's it. Perfect. Ooh. Good job. Fingers in here better. There we go. Okay, deep breath again. There you go. Oh yeah. Feel that? Drop this in right in my hand here. Perfect. That's it. That's just it all the way out. Oh yeah, that was all the way down. I'm going to adjust his cervical spine. Palmer Diversified Master Rotary Brake. Just a little. That's better. Let go of it. That's it. Better. Okay. Guys don't always pick that up. Now if they see, surgeon sees an MRI, it's got a bulged or herniated disc on there, degenerative disc even, they're wanting to do surgery on you. And that gives them a rationale for doing that. You don't ever hear them talking about the sacroiliac joints though, because there's really nothing they can do for those. There we go. So we get a lot of people in here that have already had back surgery 2, 3 times even, 4 times even, 5, and they still can't move. They started off at a 4 or 5.
Tired of these jackers, I'm tired of these jackers, I'm sick of phony niggas. Basically, I'm tired, I'm feeling sick and tired. ASAP.